Hi, I'm Bonnie Philip Benny, and I'm honored to speak today about Finspire Academy, where I completed my CMA and to express my gratitude for the skills and knowledge that I have gained during my time there. After I completed my BCom, I was not sure about which course to choose, and I was looking for professional courses, and I was not interested to join for PG. It was then that I met Ganesh Vaidishwaran Sir, and he's the one who introduced me to this CMA US program. Finspire has been an exceptional place to learn and grow with its top-notch curriculum, experienced faculty, and supportive environment. The CMA program was rigorous but also well structured and practical, providing me with the tools to succeed in the dynamic field of management accounting. CMA was a completely different learning experience for me. It seemed difficult at first, but everything became easy with the support and guidance from Finspire Academy. I'm grateful to Finspire for the excellent education I received and exposure to real world scenarios that helped me develop a comprehensive understanding of the field. I would also like to express my gratitude to faculty members who were not only experts in their fields but also dedicated mentors who provided me with guidance and encouragement throughout my studies. I would also like to thank Ananya ma'am, our transformation catalyst and mentor, for her valuable support and guidance. She was very helpful and supportive throughout the CMA journey. She always encouraged us to ask her doubts, and her way of clearing doubts and explaining each and every concept was very effective. Thank you, Ananya ma'am, for being the perfect mentor. With all the support and guidance from Finspire Academy, I could complete my CMA both parts in first attempt. And I am thanking Ganesh Vaidishwaran sir and the entire Finspire for helping and supporting me to pass CMA in my first attempt. Thank you, Finspire.